So, hello guys. I'm Somideep, and from today we will start our playlist, which is basically on how to build on-chain agents and X402, right? So basically, let me tell you what is this whole series is about. So we are currently in 2026, and there is a specific concept which is booming. You can see everywhere. That is on-chain agents and X402. People also call it agentic economy or agentic commerce, or there are many different names of it. But there is a problem. There is no single resource available in YouTube, so students can learn or developers can go and learn. So from this series, what you can expect is in-depth explanation of what is X402, how it works, and everything about X402, how to build stuff, and it will be a hands-on playlist. At first we'll cover the theory, then we'll go to the hands-on implementation of the aspects we cover in the theory, right? So at first, let's start with a very basic question. Who am I? So basically, I'm Somideep, and this is my XID. You can follow. So I have won 20 hackathons in past 2 years, including Web 2 and Web 3 in AI domain or Web 3 domain. So I think I am the right guy to tell you about this specific topic because I have seen both of the worlds, AI and the blockchain. Also, I am a Stellar ambassador. So in this series, we will be using Stellar's ecosystem, or you can say we will be using Stellar blockchain to build all the APIs or all the things. Okay, so basically, what's the conclusion from here? That we will start this playlist and we will cover the theory first, and for the implementation part, we'll be using infrastructure of Stellar. Okay, so I'm not going into the depth of what is stellar and stuff because this playlist is for intermediate builders. So I will be directly focusing on the core concepts of what is agentic economy, what is blockchain, and like how on-chain agents work. Okay, so this is the core plan of the series. Like this will be the flow. I have divided into 5 stages, like foundation, then I will go to X402 protocol itself, then I will tell about agentic infrastructure, then I will tell you about what are the different things available in Stellar ecosystem, then I will build a capstone project in Stellar infrastructure using everything. And here we won't code everything manually. We will be using agentic coding, which is very popular in these days. So you can just build prototypes or production ready apps very quickly using coding tools like Cursor and stuff. Yeah. So let me give you the overview of what are the playlist look like the videos of the playlist look like. So basically, first will be the intro and core structure. This is episode 1 today. Like this is what I am recording right now. Episode 2 will be what is agentic economy. So in this episode, we will focus on what is agentic economy, some jargons, and specifically why agentic economy is needed and why the world is mad around this specific concept, why these many hackathons are happening around this specific track. Okay, why these thing got in boom, like what's the speciality of this concept. Third episode will cover why blockchain is needed for agents. This is very important. If you wanna go and understand these things with a meaningful manner, you need to understand this episode. And then there will be another chapter of theory, which is basically evaluation of on-chain agents. So here I will discuss how the on-chain agents were built before, like 2 years ago, and now what are the options right now. Then we will jump into the export to code protocol. Then we'll learn like what is X402. Then we will discuss the architecture of X402. Then we will build our first specific API on Stellar with X402. Then we'll talk about some limitation of X402. Okay. Then basically what we'll talk about agentic infrastructure, like we will talk about specific things like what is marketplace, what is identity, what is registry and stuff. Like there another concept we'll discuss, this is type of autonomy. If you are building production ready agents, this concept is very much important because you can just make an agent fully autonomous and stuff. We will be talking about guardrails and stuff in this system. So in episode 11 we will talk about, sorry, machine, there is a misprint, like it will be basically, machine payment protocol. Okay, this is machine payment protocol. Okay, there is something problem, machine payment protocol. And in episode 12 we will discuss about what are the difference between MPP and X402. After that we will go to a deep dive into stellar ecosystem and how can we integrate our agent or give tools to our agent so they can interact with stellar ecosystem. And episode 14 we will discuss how we can basically, just go and discuss like how we can use stellar skills so you can do agentic coding using codex and stuff. Then we will start building a hands-on project, and this is the section basically, like the fifth section is for capstone project. In the capstone project we will build an agentic wallet. This will be pretty cool project, and it could have done like many
Right? There are
cool
multiple
features
tools, right?
like you
So
can
this is
see
Blink.
here. Okay,
So basically, it will run and it will check
so
what
basically it will be a
status.
agentic
This is how
wallet
it works. Basically, you can see
which
that the Claude
can
desktop is very cool
be,
call. You can extend it, and it will get
like
the ETL.
basically integrated to Claude desktop, and you can just query to that specific wallet that, like, okay, what is your query, just pay to it and it will do everything. So this we will build whole this project in live, like, okay, and live in the sense I will build in this playlist, and I will explain you how each step works, how MCP is working, how to deploy it, how to connect it to agents. So yeah, that's for this specific episode. So yeah, that's it. So welcome guys, and meet you soon in episode 2.